You can sit at the end if you want. Made breakfast for everybody. It is what time? 10 to 6. Everybody's been awake for hours. So we're having breakfast. You guys have all got me. Ariel this side next to Mummy. You guys have all got milk.
The sun's about to come up.
The sun's going to come up outside. You got some milk? Yummy milk. Be careful because that's glass. Good boy.
Harry, is this as big as your face?
Yums. What day is it today? It's Wednesday.
Because there's cups in there.
So it's Wednesday today, so day 4. Are we going for an explore?
Yeah.
Foxy, are we going on an adventure?
Yeah, you might be slippy.
Diggers! Little diggers.
Yeah, little diggers and horses.
Diggers.
Lucky Foxy.
4 or 5 hit.
Don't touch it.
That'd be sharp.
Yeah, sharp. Don't touch that, Foxy. No, don't. I just said don't touch it. Right, go follow Daddy, Foxy. Come on this way. Go down the little hill, follow Daddy. Fox, look where you're going.
What did he do?
Charges, doesn't he?
Right, this is a road up here.
Yeah.
Foxy, you got to hold hands because we're on a road.
I can hear the woodpecker.
You hear the woodpepper?
Yeah.
Wow.
Where's that thing?
We got to find
I
him.
got a
Yeah, you got to hold Daddy's hand on the road though.
This side. Hey, this side and hold my hand. Come here.
What have you found?
Smiley
Smiley faces. One there. And there. And there. You see any more?
Cool, aren't they?
Look how big that tree was. Right, let's go down to the beach. What's that?
Toilet.
Toilet. Amazing.
Quite a nice one.
Nicer than most of the toilets in the UK.
Right,
Fox, out.
Come on then.
Oh, that one! Another smiley
Oh, another smiley face over there. We'll have to spot them all.
Maybe it leads to the beach.
Maybe.
We should make something out of wood that we can leave.
Yeah. We should get some wood and get a penknife.
Not for them.
Oh, look at that.
Not for them, Daddy. Not for them, Daddy.
Are you falling? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay. Good
Daddy,
boy.
hold my hand.
Yes, hold your hand. And then
Daddy.
Who's going to fall in the sea first?
see.
Mika.
No.
All the steps here, Ari. Foxy, you got to hold someone's hand going down the stairs. Oh, look, this would all be blackberries in the summer. Oh, Mika, you'd love this. This is all blackberries when it's hot.
Keep going.
I don't like that.
Hold the banister when you get down.
There's a lot of logs.
Wow.
I'll hold that inside.
You got to hold balance and Daddy's hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can look for sea glass. Just hold his hood if he's not going to hold your hand.
Good boy, that's it.
Look, that bit nothing.
Wow. It's a cool beach, isn't it?
Big rock.
Wow. Mika, is it a smiley face on top of the rock? Go around the front. No, Foxy, you've got to have someone's help because you're going to fall.
Wow, look at all this.
This is amazing.
Nope.
Daddy!
I'm still here.
What in my boots?
Yes, in your boot. You come this way, follow Mummy.
Look at these ones. They're all the same.
Wow. Come on, Foxy.
How big that big rock is, look.
Look, if you're going to throw it in, get right near the river, the water, so you don't throw it on each other's heads.
Green rock.
bean rock.
Is he gonna stand up?
What's happening here, Bender?
Find out.
He wants to go in this thing.
Foxy, come here.
I want to ride it.
Wait a sec.
Is it wet?
Bit doggy. It's getting smaller and smaller.
You know, if you
Look at all the
let go of
seaweed.
that, you just fall in. You. So we're about to this bit, that Daddy wants to fall in.
Am I across the other island yet?
Not yet.
Daddy,
Don't nibble it.
What's happening, Bender?
Wiggling my logs.
This is so slippery. Oh. Oh. Foxy's just throwing rocks. I forgot to take a picture of this before I started eating it, but it's like garlic chicken Alfredo and it is amazing. Ari's got nachos, Fox has got Alfredo, Ben's got quesadillas. These are the toppings for Ari's nachos, and then Mika's got a quesadilla. Is it good?
I want you to sit in it, otherwise you're going to fall off it.
What you got, Ari?
Bagel.
Yum. What
So
you
you've
got,
still the
Foxy?
whole of your bagel, haven't they? It's a tiny
What did you
hole.
have? What is it?
Two.
Beans on toast. An egg wrap. We haven't had ours yet. We've been really busy today. What did we do today?
We went to the beach.
We went to the beach this morning, which you saw, and then what did we do? We went for lunch. We went to Brown Social House or Brown Social Club, and it was mega, really, really good. I think I did film a little bit. Mika, I just saw that egg fall out the end of your wrap. Pick it up. Just pick the wrap up.
Chess, didn't you?
Yeah, the girls learned how to play chess with Daddy. Who won? Aria and then Mika. And Fox apparently. We went to Nanaimo to we had lunch in Nanaimo and then we went to the Canadian Superstore and then we went to Tim Hortons. So we've got some Tim Hortons donuts that after they've had their dinner we're going to do a taste test review. We're all going to try them and see what we think. And we got Booster Juice. Ben has got, it looks disgusting, but it's nice. It's called Heavenly Horizon, and it was apples, lemons, ginger, and pineapple. And then we get an orange-sicle, which is orange juice and frozen yogurt, and it is delicious, and someone likes it a lot. Don't you, Ari?
We went to bubble tea.
Oh yeah, we went to bubble tea, and it was absolutely disgusting, like horrible, horrible, horrible. Mine and Ari's was disgusting. I forgot to say, straighten my hair, not that you can tell, but there's an outlet in here. Straighten my hair in the bathroom. 10 out of 10 recommend. We got some maple syrup. We got some Nutter Butters. Yeah, we found some fish sticks for the kids to eat while we're here. Yeah, but we will come back and show you when we try the donuts. Right, it's Tim Hortons time. Yeah, you can do if you want. So we got, the girls chose 2 Easter ones each, and we got sprinkles, a Canadian maple, an apple fritter, and a Boston cream. So we're all gonna try. Should we go for Ari's one first?
Yeah.
That is heavy. I think it's filled, Ari.
Filled with what? Hey!
I don't know.
I ate
Wait.
Stick your finger through.
Yeah, it's got something in the middle.
A hat bite. A hat bite.
Your hat bite. Wait. Good boy. Wait.
Can I have an egg?
No, you don't try an egg.
No?
That's good.
I got an egg. I got an egg.
You still wait, Gary.
Good.
Wouldn't choose it, but nice. Right, everyone can try this one, and then this one's Foxy's. Or do you just want to try this one? That's your one. You try it and see. Tell everyone if it's good.
Good.
Good? You like it?
Yeah.
What's it got on it?
Wrinkles.
Who loves sprinkles? Yeah, you do. Okay, what one next, Ari?
That one.
Canadian maple. This is the one that Mummy picked, so I'm going to have the first bite.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh, that's a
Alright, feed me.
That's really good.
It's filled.
I know. Oh yeah, she just scoops out all the middle, you little
It's
fart face.
custard. Oh, I don't think I'll like it. It's custard.
It's not custard.
Okay.
You're about to eat your hair again, Mika.
Okay.
Okay, because I washed it. That's really good. What one next?
That one.
This one, the Boston cream.
The Boston.
This is Daddy's one, so we'll let him have the first bite. Don't eat it all, because everyone needs to have some.
That was a big bite. There's not been in it.
Nice Fox.
Fox is enjoying his. And then lastly, it's apple fritter. Don't touch Mummy's camera with the donut, Fox.
Don't
Sorry, that's his new noise. Did you get anything?
I'm not feeling what I got, but nice.
Can I have
Right, yummy.
A Danish yum yum texture.
That's really good. It's like cinnamon. Oh, it has got a filling. It's like cinnamon.
Apples.
Just in
And
the rolls
apples.
up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got one of
That's really
Some
good.
of them. She does like it.
Mm-mm-mm.
I
I
got
like
apple.
this one the best. Another one this.
How about
I
them?
got apple.
Lovely.
We like them? Good? Say cheers.
Cheers.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.